In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Miro board. Miro is an incredibly popular online collaborative platform where teams can create diagrams, mind maps, and a variety of visual content. Sometimes you may need to download your Miro board to share it in a different format, or keep a copy for your records. Let's walk through the steps to do just that. First up, make sure you're logged into your Miro account and have the board you wish to download opened on your screen. Having the correct board in front of you is crucial because this is the content you're going to export. Take a moment to review the board and ensure all the details you need are finalized. A well-prepared board can save you significant time later on. Once you're ready, locate the export menu. If you don't see an export option right away, click on the main menu. From there, navigate to board and then select export. This menu is your gateway to downloading your board in a variety of formats. It's user-friendly, but if it's your first time, feel free to take your time exploring your options before proceeding. Now you'll have to choose how you want to export the board. Miro offers several formats, with each catering to different needs. You can save your board as an image, and you'll have the choice between JPG and PNG formats. These options are perfect if you simply need a visual snapshot of the board. If you're aiming for a higher resolution document, you might prefer exporting as a PDF, which is often used for sharing more formal presentations or documents. There's also an option to download a board backup in the Deutsche RTB format. However, keep in mind that this feature is only available on specific paid plans. So if you're on one of those plans and need an editable backup of your board, this is the go-to option. After you've decided on the format, you might be prompted to select the export area and quality. This step allows you to fine-tune what exactly you're downloading. Maybe you want the entire board, or perhaps just a section that's particularly relevant. Choose the export area that best meets your needs and ensure the quality setting matches your requirements, whether you're planning to print or share digitally. Finally, when everything looks good to go, click Export. The file should automatically download to your device. Check your designated download folder to make sure the files appeared. And just like that, you've successfully downloaded your Miro board. So there you have it. Following these steps ensures you can take your Miro boards from the digital collaborative space to a format that suits your offline needs. Experiment with different formats to see which works best for you, and soon this process will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and happy downloading.